Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Tony Coleman, and today I'm going to show you setting up the T-Mobile Test Drive hotspot. With this, they give you 30 days of service, up to 30 gigabyte of data for free, and they give you the free hotspot. So here we're in packaging. Battery. And here's the SIM card, as well as the documentation. We're getting started up. And of course, the charger. First we want to pop this loose, which is a bit tight. Okay. So here you can see the standard SIM slot. Pop that out. The next portion goes in first. Like so. Place the battery in. This one has not been fully charged yet, so it is possible that it won't boot up right off the bat, but it may have to pause the video until it is charged. Okay, remove the protective sticker. So this is what it would look like. This is the power button. It looks like it does have some charge. So while that is powering on, we'll go through the instructions here. It just describes it. Alright, for setup. Tells you how to open it up and go through it. To connect, it says fully charge the test drive using the USB cable and adapter provided. Turn on the device by holding down the power key for 3 seconds. Then on our phones. So here I've got a phone that I use for a lot of different demonstrations. In this case, it's wanting us to go to the CoolPad Surf 3191 2.4 gigahertz. You'll want to enter the password located on the inside back cover. So I have to open this back up. And you'll see that they have different passwords located in here. So I will type that password in. Hit connect. It is now connected. This phone does not have any kind of cell phone service attached to it, so we want to activate the new device. So hit get started. And while that's going, I'll go ahead and put the back cover back on, and as you can also see, the battery is now changed to a different color, indicating it probably needs charged. Activate new device. And it's just telling me to go. Okay, let's go. Let me minimize that and see if maybe it went through. So here, yeah, it's going back to the wanting to connect. Not sure what the issue is. Alright, this may take a bit, so let me pause this until it's ready. Okay, so what ended up being the issue is a common issue with these test drives. It wouldn't activate on its own, so it required me to actually call their toll-free support number. They activated it on the server side. It was relatively simple, easy, and the support was actually well. As you can see, I now have internet access on this phone, and it's connecting just fine. Decent speeds. Let's go to speedtest.net. While we're at it, we'll see what kind of speed I'm getting here in my town. I think it's spelled right. Not .com. Fat finger in it. There we go. Go to the desktop site because I don't want to download their app. Okay, so let's see what they'll do here. And they may be forcing me to actually go. There it goes, just being slow to load. Let it run again. There. Finding optimal server. Okay, so there you go. In my area, both Verizon and AT&T typically can hit anywhere between 80 and 90 megabit per second. Straight off this T-Mobile, we'll see what it's averaging. Right now it's not a good sign. It's waiting for the upload portion. As you can see, it's very slow here. So in my area, T-Mobile probably won't be a good valid option as it failed the upload portion. We can always try a different test using a different server. Didn't want to go to Windstream. I just want to... Alright, well, let's drive me nuts. So the speeds on this, in my location, is barely acceptable. I would say this would probably not be a long-term value to me. AT&T in this area has recently gained a lot more speed. Verizon has dominated my area. This is the Charleston, Illinois area. So if anybody is looking at T-Mobile as an option, I would heavily suggest against it if these are truly the speeds to expect. I don't know if the test drive itself is limited. Now you're seeing the upload speeds just kicked up quite a bit to 20 meg or more, so it may just be something with their towers right now. It may just be maybe the servers that it's trying to tap into, but downloads were horrible. So 20 up, that's not too bad. So let's try this again and see if maybe it kicked in. Still using the same servers. Third time's a charm. And this is, of course, going off of a cell phone directly to the hotspot. Makes me feel like we're back in the days of the dial-up internet. Alright, that's taking way too long, so not even finishing the third test. Getting out of those. So in the Charleston area, that's basically what to expect if it comes down to the T-Mobile. So that's my review. If you like the videos, please subscribe, share, and like the videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help content providers like me quite a bit. So until next time, have a good one.